Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the TV model and the device feeding it, because resolution limits differ. Once done, use the remote to open settings, then picture or display. You want direct access to aspect ratio, picture size, and zoom controls. Make sure HDMI cables are firmly seated and note the HDMI version. Lower versions can restrict 4K or wide modes. Now, select the source input on the TV and stop on the live image so you can change scale and aspect in real time. You next adjust both the source device and TV scaling because mismatch causes black bars or cropped edges. On the source, set output to the TV's native resolution and refresh rate. On a PC, pick GPU scaling options instead of TV scaling. Then on the TV, try aspect modes. 16, 9, fill, or screen fit. Choose the one that shows all edges without distortion. Make sure overscan is off or use just scan/exact fit so pixels map 1:1 and text stays sharp. You finish by saving any custom picture preset so your adjustments stick, then power cycle the TV and the source to ensure settings apply. If the image still isn't correct, check for firmware updates on the TV and drivers or display settings on the source device. As a final fix, perform a factory reset only after saving details. If you see black bars or cropped edges afterward, use the source's HDMI scaling or GPU overscan compensation to fine-tune instead of the TV menu.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.